Hey everyone, welcome to Kizuki Yoga. I'm Tsutomu. Today we are going to flow through 10-minute yoga practice to bring emotional balance, grounding, and a sense of calm back into your body and mind. If you've been feeling underwhelmed, anxious, or just a little off, this is for you. So find a quiet space, roll out your mat, and let's begin. Let's take a comfortable seated position. Before we move, let's take a moment to arrive. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale, filling up, and exhale, let all go. Now gently place one hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Feel your breath moving. Notice any emotions that are present. Not judging them, just acknowledging. Whatever you are carrying today, it's okay. You are here, and that's enough. Let's shift into a simple breathwork technique. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Let's do that together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This longer exhale tells your nervous system, hey, it's okay to relax. Let's carry this feeling into our movement. Let's wake up the body. Inhale, reach one arm up and over, feeling a big side stretch. Exhale, switch sides. Feel good, right? Now, let's twist. One hand behind, the other resting on the knees. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist a little deeper. Twists are great to releasing stored emotions. So if you feel something shifting, that's normal. Let's do the other side. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist a little deeper. And release. Coming onto hands and knees. Let's flow through some cat and cow. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round the spine, tuck your chin. Let your breath guide the moment. Imagine any stress melting away with each exhale. And from here, tuck your toes, lift your hips into downward dog. Maybe pedal out your feet. Notice how your body feels today. No right or wrong, just awareness. Step 1 foot forward into a low lunge. Sink into it, feeling the stretch. Now rise into Warrior 2. Strong, steady. Imagine you are standing firm in your power. Whether emotions you are facing, you can handle them. Let's do the other side. Sink into low lunge, feeling the stretch. Now rise into Warrior 2. And release. Now let's find a balance, literally and emotionally. Shift into tree pose. Root down through one foot. Bring the other foot to your ankle, calf, or thigh. Hands at your heart. If you wobble, no worries. Even trees sway in the wind. Find your breath, find your center. And let's switch side. You can bring your arm up for make a branch. And release. Let's cool down with the forward fold. Let your head hang heavy. Shake it yes and no. Surrender whatever you don't need to carry anymore. Hold your elbows and swing side to side. And release. Come to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Let's seal this practice with a short moment of stillness. If you'd like, lie down for a quick savasana. Let yourself just be. No doing, no fixing, just resting in the present. When you are ready, slowly rise up. Bring your palms together at your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today. Emotional balance isn't about feeling perfect all the time. It's about being present with whatever is here. And you did it. If this practice helps you, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know how you are feeling, and if you want more yoga for emotional balance, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next practice. Take care and stay grounded.